Hello, I am Mino too. Too. I got the haircut. You probably don't recognize me. I'm from Asian world. This is.
I can't seem to get the hang of the British accent.
I can.
No,
Hello, I am
accent.
Harry Styles. I love One Direction.
Oh, I loved One Direction.
I
just can't seem to get the hang of it.
I have 39 posters of them. I have the album,
You
the
haven't
book.
got one. You haven't got one. You haven't got an accent. You haven't got one.
Okay. Well, I love One Direction out of my heart. I cry over them every day. I already did today. And my favorite, I don't have one. It's like choosing a favorite child.
Same for me.
Okay. Well. Die! No. Orange. I see. She has orange lips. I have.